Are you trying to choose between Finviz and TradingView for your trading setup? These two tools dominate the space, but which one really gives you the edge? I'm Barry, a financial technician with the International Federation of Technical Analysts, and I've run both Finviz and TradingView through a 20-point test to find out which platform truly delivers the most value for traders and investors. Let's break it down, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool fits your style, strategy, and goals. First up, Finviz with a 4.3 out of 5. This is a fast, powerful screener that shines when it comes to scanning for chart patterns, fundamental metrics, and insider trades. The interface is simple and lightning quick. The free version gives you a ton to work with, but if you upgrade to Elite, you unlock backtesting and real-time data. It's great for visualizing the entire market at once, especially if you love candlestick and chart pattern signals. But here's the downside. The charting is outdated, there's no real community, and it's strictly US focused. And if you're looking to trade directly from charts, forget it. There's zero broker integration. Now, let's look at TradingView. This is where things get serious. TradingView has the best charting tools in the game, with over 160 indicators, multiple chart types like Renko and Kagi, and even automated buy-sell gauges. It's also home to a global trading community, 20 million strong, where people share strategies, scripts, and trade ideas every day. You can run advanced backtests using PineScript, trade directly through your broker, and scan stocks, Forex, and crypto across global markets. For traders who want flexibility, analysis, and community all in one, TradingView is the full package. So, which one's right for you? If you're a beginner or short-term trader who wants a fast, no-fuss way to filter stocks, spot patterns, and check insider trades, Finviz is a solid pick. It's super quick, easy to use, and perfect for scanning the US stock market in seconds. But if you're a more active trader, working with stocks, crypto, Forex, or futures, and you need real-time charting, automation, and a global trading community, then TradingView is the clear winner. You get powerful tools, broker integration, and access to thousands of shared scripts, strategies, and chart ideas from traders around the world. When it comes to fundamentals, both platforms offer solid screening. But TradingView goes deeper with over 160 filters. And if you're a serious long-term investor, pairing either tool with something like Stock Rover or Morningstar will take your research further. In short, Finviz is fast and focused. TradingView is powerful and social. And for deep fundamentals, bring in a research-focused platform. To recap, Finviz is fast, simple, and great for scanning and spotting patterns. It's perfect for quick market analysis, especially if you're focused on US stocks. But it lacks advanced charting, community features, and global coverage. TradingView, on the other hand, delivers powerful interactive charts, automation, broker integration, and a huge global community. It's a full trading platform that grows with you. In my 20-point test, TradingView scored 4.8 out of 5, while Finviz came in at 4.3. Both tools are useful, but for most traders looking for depth and flexibility, TradingView is the better choice overall. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trader-tested reviews, strategies, and tools. And don't forget, click the link in the description for that TradingView free trial or exclusive discount. It's the best way to explore the platform risk-free and support the channel. I'm Barry, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart and stay disciplined.